Okay, this is the 1998 Toyota Altezza. Winter car. Ice drifter. Going to be putting on an angle kit. Bolt-on setup. Basically all it is a knuckle and a longer outer tie rod. Some bolts to bolt the knuckle up to the stock ball joint. So we'll cut the ball joint, bolt these parts on. Simple as that. Okay, wheel off. Pull the tie rod cotter pin out. Then there's two ball joint or knuckle bolts that have to come out. Those two guys. Cut the knuckle just after where that bolt flange is. Move the outer tie rod. Inner tie rod on this we're gonna be reusing. This is your new knuckle tie rod pickup. So we will bolt that onto the ball joint. Now you have to hammer the guides into the knuckle. Put the knuckle or your spindle onto the knuckle. Tighten up both of your spindle to knuckle bolts. Now we'll put the outer tie rod on. Throw a fresh cotter pin in, and we're done. Throw the wheels on and we will adjust the toe. That's it. Lots more steering angle. We'll see how much we can actually use once the wheel is on, but way more than stock.